Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. Okay, so today we are going to do, well, one second. One second, family. Okay. Okay, so I had came up with this idea, right? And it's so funny because as I was sitting, all right, and finna have a Zoom call. Ooh! So I'm honey moving and grooving, okay? So today I was hosting my first Zoom call, okay, for the book club, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And if you guys want to join it, okay, it would be every Sunday we meet up, we read the chapters of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. We'll meet up on the Zoom and we'll discuss what we got from those chapters that we was going over. So as I was sitting, right, and this is the power of being still, right? So as I was sitting, hey Robin, peace here, baby, peace here, peace there. As I was sitting and I was going through the motions with setting up the Zoom call and stuff like that, one of the things that I started thinking about was, oh, I could create smoothie Sundays, okay? And I was like, oh, girl, get to it. Okay, so here we are, Smoothie Sundays, okay? And what's in your cup? That's the name of it, okay? What's in your cup, girl? All right, so, yeah, that's the name of it. What's in your cup? Now, my bananas don't come for me, okay? Don't you dare come for me, because I ain't send for you, okay? Now, these bananas I had got from Costco, and they all on it's so funny, because when I first got them, they was like bright green, right? They wasn't right. And I had them in the fridge for about, I don't know if it was, is it 2 weeks? 2 weeks, I think. And so we finally finna use them. No, I think it was like 1 week or so. Okay. And so, okay. Let's get into the outfit. So some of you guys seen this outfit, okay? Now, ooh, when you're working. Now, when you're working out, when you are working out, okay, your body start looking snatched to the gods, okay? All right. Now, lately I have been eating a whole bunch of greens. You know, the big containers that you get from we got 14 minutes, okay? Because I got to start that Zoom call again. The big containers that you get from Costco. That's what I've been eating, like the big containers, not the whole thing, of course, but yeah. All right, so first up, okay, so chlorophyll. Whenever I know something, I'm ready to share it. I just feel like it's my due diligence to share, okay, whatever it is that I know. If you have any odors or whatever it is the case, honey, this is entertainment purposes only. Chlorophyll is going to do the deal. Chlorophyll will seal the deal, okay? Because I told you guys that the lime, it wasn't liming, okay? And so I started doing chlorophyll. I ordered some chlorophyll because a young lady named Shelly had said chlorophyll, and I forgot because I ordered chlorophyll in the past. And so I had ordered some more chlorophyll. Honey. Now, when you take chlorophyll, your poop, I know, too much info, right? Your poop definitely is definitely going to be green, okay? I'm just saying, okay? All right, so we have our almond milk. Okay. Don't you dare come for me. Okay, we have our bananas. Which is looking, ooh, shoot, I put the, okay, so every Sunday, we are going to do smoothie Sundays, okay? Honey, I gotta write this stuff down. All right. So 2 bananas, and we're gonna use some blueberries, okay? Honey, if it seems like I'm rushing, that's because I am. And our blueberries. Okay, so cheers to you guys. So good. Ooh, so good. So today's message is this, okay? Whatever it is that you put your mind to, you can do, okay? Whatever it is, I don't care what it is, whatever it is that you put your mind to, you can do. And also know that you are good enough. Know that you are deserving. Know that you are worthy, okay? I don't, your background and what you've been through, those things, okay, is not there or wasn't there to destroy you, okay? It was there for an experience. And let me tell you something. If I didn't grow through the things that, honey, I'm just feeling this feeling this outfit, okay? I'm just feeling this outfit. But listen, if I didn't go through some of the things that I have been through, experience some of the things I've been through, okay, I would not be here doing these videos. Okay? Now maybe I'll be here but doing a different type of video. I don't know, but my life would not be set up the way it is. Okay? But I decided to do something with the things that I have been through, the things that I have gone through and grew through. Okay? I decided to use that as a way of inspiration. So you have what it takes. You are good enough. When you hear those voices saying you're not good enough, okay, that you don't deserve it, you're not beautiful enough, honey, I need you to say, I am beautiful, okay? I need you to start counteracting what those voices is telling you, okay? And so, with that being said, I love you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next live. I don't know when I'm going live again next time. But I'll catch you guys on the next live. Make sure you're rocking out. Make sure you're believing in yourself. And if you want to join the book club, okay, send me a DM. And like I said, every Sundays we meet up. And this is for us to hold each other accountable. And for us to start moving out of the comfort zone, okay? You guys seen yesterday, I went to that workout event. And the reason what really helped me was what I read in the book, The Power of the Subconscious Mind, okay? That really helped me, stop thinking so much about the fear that I was experiencing, okay? Because y'all know it was all types of shit going on through my mind, okay? Thinking I'm gonna jump and go in that goddamn river, okay? All right? It was all types of things that was going on in my mind. But guess what? I showed up. I showed up. You can't be saying you want your life to change and you doing the same exact thing, okay? Because it doesn't work like that. You have to do different in order to get different. That's just the way the universe is operating. Okay, that's the way it's giving it up these days. Okay, you have to do something different in order for you to get different. And with that being said, I love you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.